princesses, and welcome back to another video. On today's video, I will be tinting my eyebrows with the new Brow Tint from Ardell. I saw this the other day at Target and I figured I had to try it, and why not film a video on my experience and also to let you guys know how it turns out. Before we get into this video, however, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the Goddess family. I love you, and let's hop right into it. Okay, so I picked up this Ardell Brow Tint in the color Soft Black. I saw this at Target, like I said, and I just figured it is perfect for summertime because it says it lasts up to 2 weeks. It has 12 applications in there. It only retailed for $14.99, which I think is really, really good. It says it is safe and easy for use, and well, we're gonna try that out right now to see how safe and easy it really is. They did have a lot of other colors, not just soft black. I just went with what color my hair is, but they had a good variety of colors if you guys are interested in this product. I'll also have it linked down below. You guys can shop it on my Amazon storefront if you'd like, if it's easier to do it that way. But let's go ahead and read the instructions. It says it's a 3-step easy process. You just mix, apply, and then shape your eyebrows. It does say on the box, however, it is for professional use only. It does say that, you guys see that? For professional use only, which is hilarious because I figured, like, why would they sell it if it's only for professionals over the counter at Target? But I'm glad that I have it and I'm not gonna complain. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh. It has your Brow Tint Conditioning Developer. It also has a Brow Tint Powder. The last thing is this little Ziploc bag. It has like a spoolie, a little mixing spoon, and a clear container. I think this is where you mix all of the stuff in. It says Ardell. So this is everything that it comes with: the developer, the tint, and all of the tools that you need. Very handy. I'm gonna go ahead and read through the instructions to see exactly how easy it is. Okay, so it says squeeze a pea-sized amount of the conditioning developer into the plastic mixing tray. Shake the tinted bottle 3 to 4 times. And then we're gonna take that spatula and we're just gonna mix it until it gets to a nice, smooth consistency. So we have the bowl and we're gonna do a pea-size amount, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna mix. It is really crunchy, like whatever that powder is, it kind of makes like a weird crunchy sound, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. So then it asks me to brush my eyebrows up and then to apply the product. I am gonna use an eyebrow brush just because I feel like it's gonna be more precise and it's gonna be a lot easier. I grabbed this one, which is like a ridiculously small bristle, but I think this is gonna work because it's gonna be a lot more precise and I can take my time with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dip this in here. So we're just gonna like go in. I got my eyebrows microbladed like forever ago, and you can see kind of it fading. And so this product hopefully just like re-darkens everything so that I don't have to spend that same amount of money on getting them retouched because it's expensive. And this product is only $14.99. And again, it says it lasts 2 weeks and there's 12 applications. Okay, it looks like I got everything covered just the way that I want it. It is a little tingly. I do have to say that. I wasn't expecting it to tingle in this way. It's not uncomfortable, but you can definitely feel that it's working its magic, it's doing something. It does say to leave it on for 10 minutes and then remove with a damp towel. It is currently 2:35, so I will be back at 3:45 and just wipe it off. Okay, we have to like actually wipe it off because I feel like there's still some like little lingering product right there, but wow. Okay. Now, mind you, my eyebrows had been microbladed in the past, and that is why this area seems a little bit on the lighter side, but it is darker than, clearly as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, than it normally is. So this already has been good. wow, it's just a huge difference. It almost looks like I just have makeup on my brows right now. I might just go in and darken up like a few little areas, but I actually really like the way that it turned out. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Highly recommend. This was really easy. The only thing that I feel like is a negative is the tingling, which I guess is not really a bad thing because it just shows you that the product is working, but it just took me off guard because there was like no forewarning on the packaging, like mild tingling may occur, like nothing like that. So it just took me off guard, and I was like hoping that I wasn't like damaging my eyebrow. I was like secretly like wondering like if I wiped off this product, like will my eyebrow hair wipe off with it, but it didn't, it stayed, so that's a plus. With that being said, that brings us to the very end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I love you guys so much. Until next time. Mwah!